So right now we are heading to the ocean side of the reefs. There's a reef. I don't know if you can see it. There are shallow reefs at the back there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's quite windy here today. Guys, just to give you an idea where I want to fish, you can see the red there is me, and then there is a ledge here. That's where I want to fish. I want to work that edges to see if there's any fish hanging around. Yeah, fish just locked, so I'm gonna get started. I'm getting closer to that ledge. Just to give you an idea, I'm on 10 meters of water, and then it will come up to 8.5. So that's a good ledge there. And now I'm close to it. Okay, I'll see you when we get action. Something came on. What is this? Oh, snapper. Looks like a snapper. Yeah, an undersized snapper. Oh shit! Look at that. Oh, I dropped the other one. Shit, small one. Come on. Nah, I don't want any of you. Okay. Okay. Sorry, mate. Let's bye. Okay. Ooh, good marks. Okay. Good marks right here. So we're gonna fish this area. Looks fishy though. There's a boat coming right up. Alright, we got our first fish. Big sea cod. First fish. Yeah, just working the bottom. Just like this. Quite boring, but it's quite effective. Oh, I can see marks. That's a mark. Just keep bouncing it at the bottom. Like that. Yeah, I'm running out of bait, so I need to. I think this is another break sea cod on the jig. So this will be slightly bigger than the first one. Yep, good one. Ooh, that's a second one now. Yep, that's another good eating fish. Yeah, I can't complain from the jig. That's him there. Can't complain. Yeah, I'll choose this fish over a snapper. Really good eating fish. Wow, look at that swell rolling. Anyway, let's put him out of misery. Second one. It's good. Let's quickly put this out. This is the killer. 130 jig. Alright, that's it for me today. So 2 break sea cods, nothing else. So yeah, I even struggled to catch the wrasse. I don't know. Yeah, it's just the way it is. It's fishing. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully we get a dream next time. See ya.